busting out a bulletin. He's already on there. He been on there ever since I left hell. Trying to get me back. But God don't want no coward soldiers. You got to know whatever come upon you, whatever befall you, that God got your back. That he said, I will never leave thee nor forsake thee. You got to believe that and you got to know that. Lord, hear the Hebrew boys. And he watched them go set the furnace 7 times harder. And they stood up there and they had chance enough to say, okay, we're going to compromise. We're going to do it this time. Just this one time. But they knew God so, and they had so much God in them. See, we ought to have so much God in us, we won't compromise our salvation. We won't compromise our beliefs and our faith for nothing and